Good morning everyone. Today I am going to help you with your maths lesson. So this week so far in maths you've been learning about doubling. So we're going to carry on thinking about doubling today. As a quick little recap, hopefully you remember that doubling means that you have two of the same amount. You add the same amount together. So we can use our fingers for doubling. So if we wanted to double one, we would have one up on this hand and one up on this hand. So double one is 2. Let's try another one. See if you can join in with me this time. So let's do double 3. So we need 3 on this hand and we need 3 on this hand. So double 3 is 6. We'll do one more. Are you ready? Let's do double 5. So 5 on this hand, 5 on this hand, double 5 is 10. Okay, today for our doubling lesson, we are going to use some ladybirds to help us. Okay, so I'm going to draw a really simple outline of a ladybird. I'm going to draw a line down the middle, and here are my ladybird's 2 wings. Okay, so I'm going to start with this side, and I'm going to put some spots on my ladybird. So to start with, I'm going to just put 1 spot on my ladybird. Okay, and I'm going to double that number. So if I've got 1 on this side, I also need to have 1 spot on this side. There we go. Okay, so I have doubled 1. I started with 1, I've doubled it. I've also put 1 over here. It needs to be the same amount when we double. And we can also write a number sentence to match our ladybird. So I'm going to look at how many spots I have on this side. 1. So we're doubling 1. 1, add 1 equals, I can count them. I can use my fingers to help me. Go back to my doubling on my fingers. Really quickly you can see that there are 2. Okay, so 1 add 1 equals 2, or I can say double 1 is 2. Okay, let's have another go. So I'll quickly rub my spots out, rub out my number sentence. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to try double 3 using my ladybird. I'm going to put 3 quick spots on this side of my ladybird. I'm going to double that number, so I need to put 3 on this side as well. Okay, so this time I have doubled 3. I'm going to give you just a couple of seconds to have a think about what you think my matching number sentence is going to be for this double ladybird. Have a quick think. Well done if you've got it. Should we have a look together? So we're doubling 3. We have 3 each side. So my number sentence is going to be 3. Add 3 equals 6. Should we read that number sentence together? Are you ready? 3 add 3 equals 6. Or we can say double 3 is 6. Okay. Let's have a go for one more. This one's going to be a bit trickier because I think you're ready for a challenge. Are you ready? Ooh, I wonder if you can tell me what number I'm doubling this time. How many spots I started with on my ladybird? Should we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to double 6. I put my 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the reason this one is trickier, the reason this one is a challenge, is because before we've been able to use our fingers. When we double 1, we can use our fingers. When we double 3, we can use our fingers. But when we do double 6, I don't have 6 fingers. Okay, there's a couple of things we can do. We can either count the spots all together to find the answer, or you can work with somebody at home, maybe a grown-up or maybe a brother or sister. So you could hold 6 up, your grown-up could hold 6 up, and you could count how many you have together. Or you could go back to yesterday's activity using your mirror. You could go in front of a mirror, hold 6 fingers up, and then count the fingers that you can also see in the mirror. Okay, So let's write our number sentence for this one. So if we're doubling 6, we know that our number sentence needs to be 6 add 6 equals. Okay, so let's count all of our spots for this one. See if you can count with me together. When you're ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 12. The other way you could have counted the spots, which would have been a bit quicker for you, is you already know that this side has 6. So you don't need to go through and count all of those. So you could just say 6 and then carry on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so another sentence, 6 add 6 equals 12, or we can say double 6 is 12. Okay, well done for today. Good luck with your maths learning today. Remember to send us in your pictures so we can see how you're doing. So your challenge today is to try and write the matching number sentences. So have a go at that and see if you can do that as well. Okay, have fun and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care, bye.